Hi friends, welcome back to We Analyze. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all our new and old subscribers, and do continue to share our videos with your friends and family. In this episode, we're going to compare two siblings in the 150cc market, and they share the same heart. Yes, it's none other than YZF R15, the entry-level sport bike, and the MT15 Dark Warrior.
Devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress.
So, the YZF R15 is a single-cylinder sport bike which has never failed to attract the young blood since 2008. And in 2011, Yamaha decided to give this bike a makeover, and that was version 2.0. And the version 3 was launched in 2018 Auto Expo without ABS, and the ABS version was launched a few months back. MT15, this essentially is a naked version of already popular Yamaha YZF R15. Now this was launched in the international market last year, and it was launched in India a few months back with a few changes for our Indian version. Now, first thing is the upside down forks was replaced with a conventional telescopic forks, and it has an increased ground clearance, and instead of IRC, MRF tires are used. Now the bigger thing is box type swing arm has been used instead of aluminum swing arm. This makes the international version lighter and thus 2 kilos heavier Indian version. And it's not just the swing arm that makes it heavier, but also the RTO mandate of sari guard and so on. Though the technology and the parts used are mostly same, what makes them stand out? Let's check it out. Since MT15 is a naked version of R15, both of them sports a single-cylinder, 4-valve, 4-stroke SOHC 150cc engine, and both the bikes comes with a technology called Variable Valve Actuation, VVA. Now this changes the cam profile at 6000 RPM for a linear acceleration with strong performance characteristics, and also it produces about 19 bhp and 14.7 Nm of torque. Liquid cooling and fuel injection are common in both the bikes. This definitely adds value when it comes to performance. And talking about gearbox, both the bikes comes with 6-speed transmission with assist and slipper clutch. This prevents the rear wheel from locking up during the hard downshift. Both the bikes comes with dual disc brakes, front being 282 and 220 rear disc brake. However, the advantage is the dual channel ABS present in the R15 as opposed to the single channel ABS in the MT15. Now both the bikes comes with 17-inch alloys, with the front tire being 100 by 80 and the rear being 140 by 70. But you get the optional Medzillers for R15 but not for MT15. Though the outside structure and cosmetics looks different, the skeleton of both these bikes are the same. They're built over the Deltabex frame, which was introduced in the second generation of YZF R15. MT15 comes with a softer suspension, which makes it fun to ride on the road. On the other hand, R15 is on the little stiffer side, which gives you confidence around the corner on tracks. Talking about the ride comfort, R15 version 3 is definitely fun to ride when it comes to track due to its aggressive riding position. It comes with a rear set foot peg and a neatly sculpted muscular tank and a transparent windshield, which helps you tuck in and rev the motor all the way up till the maximum RPM. Also, when it comes to the pillion seat, the height has significantly reduced from the previous version of R15, but it is not still comfortable for the pillion. On the other hand, MT15 comes with a perky upright riding position. This helps you ride through the city traffic with ease and not to worry about strengthening your core. So the new version of R15 has been heavily inspired by its elder brothers R1 and R6. Now, if you look at the fake air intake that sits right in the middle of always on headlights, mimics the MotoGP of Yamaha. All of this put together, it gives us a handsome and a sporty bike. On the other hand, MT15 has taken a lot of inspiration from its elder siblings in the MT series and comes with a refreshing looks. I would say it definitely stands to its tagline, the dark side of Japan. So both the bikes comes with all digital instrument cluster and it holds a lot of information. Gear indicator, gear shift lights, average speed, average fuel efficiency, 2 trip meters and whatnot. But MT15 comes with a negative LCD display. And also, when it comes to lights, R15 comes with a full LED setup for the front and rear, and MT15 comes with LED DRLs and projector setup for the front and full LED for the brake light. What could have been better? Yamaha could have used LED indicators instead of the old school indicators that we see here. R15 comes with a fuel tank which can hold up to 11 liters, but MT15 can only hold up to 10 liters. Now both the bikes returns a fuel efficiency of 38 to 40 kilometers per liter on an average. Now that you have seen all about the bike, let's get into the pros and cons. Now both the bikes is borrowed its switches from FZ25, which really doesn't suit well. Now talking about the pro, both the bike screams post 6000 RPM, all thanks to the VVA, all the way up until 11,500 RPM. Now the R15 will definitely make you complain when it comes to riding in city traffic for a long time. On the other hand, MT15 is lighter than the R15 by 4 kilos. And a pro for R15 is it comes with a dual channel ABS and the MT15 only gets a single channel ABS. So Yamaha has priced MT15 very close to the R15 after all the changes it had for the Indian version, which is a very little disappointing. A dual channel ABS would have been better. Now before we get into the verdict, let's look at the on-road price of both these bikes. And I am from Chennai, so I'm going to let you know the on-road price in Chennai. R15 version 3 dual channel ABS is going to cost you an approximate on-road price of 1,66,000. When it comes to the single channel ABS MT15, that will cost you 1,62,000. So you have a difference of 4,000 when it comes to the naked version and R15, the entry-level sport bike. Let's get into the final portion of the video, the verdict. Now, if you don't like the too committed riding position and still looking for a premium 150cc engine to use it in an everyday traffic, then MT15 is your choice. If you don't mind the riding position and still looking for an aggressive and a sporty ride, with a better safety of a dual channel ABS, R15 version 3 is going to be your choice. So before we finish the video, Yamaha offers a free helmet or a riding jacket when you purchase an MT15. So if you're planning to purchase an MT15, once you're done, make sure to contact the showroom to avail either a free helmet or a free riding jacket. Having said that, thanks Tree Motors for giving us the opportunity to review the bikes from here. And if you need any sales or any discount inquiries, contact the numbers that's scrolling in the video. And thanks a lot for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. We will see you soon in a different video. Until then, stay tuned to our channel, like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the bell icon to get an instant update. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.